In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a careers page to your Wix website. Whether you're expanding your business or just looking to attract some new talent, having a dedicated careers page can make a huge difference. It's a great way to showcase the opportunities you have available and gives potential candidates all the information they need to take that next step in joining your team. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the site editor. This is the place where you can make all sorts of customizations to your site, and it's where we'll be setting up your careers page today. Next, head over to the Wix App Market. The App Market is a fantastic resource filled with a variety of tools and apps that can enhance your website. For our purpose today, you'll want to search for a job board or careers page. This search will bring up a selection of apps that can help you create a functional and attractive careers page. One recommended option is the job posting careers page. It's specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with Wix and offers features that are highly useful for listing job opportunities. After you've selected an app like the job posting careers page, click on the option that says Add to Site. This will initiate an installation process accompanied by a setup wizard. This wizard is user-friendly and will guide you through the necessary steps to integrate the careers page with your existing website. Don't rush through these steps. Taking a little extra time here ensures that everything is set up correctly. Once the app is installed, you'll move on to the customization phase. This is where you can truly make your careers page your own. You'll have the chance to adjust the appearance of the job board widget, aligning it with the overall design of your website. Think about your brand's color scheme, fonts, and overall style to ensure that your careers page feels like a cohesive part of your site. Finally, it's time to start filling in the job details. Consider this your opportunity to really communicate what makes working at your company special. For each job posting, you'll be adding in key information like the job title, a detailed description, and the location of the job. Make sure these are clear and informative to attract the most suitable candidates. And there you have it. You've successfully added a careers page to your Wix website. This page will not only help you manage job postings more efficiently, but will also serve as a professional touchpoint for potential employees interested in your company. With everything set up, you can now focus on finding the perfect fit for your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hiring.